Life is a journey. Every person has dreams, goals, and challenges. Some people become successful because they have a good life strategy. A life strategy is a simple plan that helps us make good decisions and achieve our goals. Without a plan, we may waste our time and lose our direction. Success does not happen in one day. It comes from small daily actions. Every big achievement starts with one small step. If we improve ourselves every day, our future will become better. Know your goal. The first step in life is to know your goal. Ask yourself, what do I want to become? What kind of life do I want? What makes me happy? When you know your goal, you can focus your energy in the right direction. People without goals often waste their time. People with clear goals know where they are going. Write your goal on paper. Read it every morning. It will remind you why you started. Believe in yourself. Many people fail before they even start because they do not believe in themselves. Always remember, if you believe in yourself, you are already halfway to success. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone has a different journey. Some people succeed early, and some succeed later. The important thing is to keep moving. Learn every day. Learning should never stop. Read books, watch educational videos, practice English, learn new skills, ask questions. Every new skill makes you stronger. Knowledge is one of the greatest investments in life because nobody can steal it from you. Manage your time. Time is more valuable than money. Money can be earned again. Time never comes back. Wake up early. Make a daily plan. Finish important work first. Avoid wasting hours on useless activities. People who respect time usually become successful. Work hard. Dreams without action remain dreams. Success needs effort. Some days will be difficult. Some days will be difficult. Some days you will feel tired. But never stop working. Every small effort brings you closer to your goal. Success is not magic. It is daily hard work. Build good habits. Good habits make a good life. Wake up early. Read every day. Exercise for a few minutes. Drink enough water. Eat healthy food. Practice English every day. A small good habit can change your future. Remember, first we make our habits, then our habits make us. Be disciplined. Motivation is helpful, but discipline is stronger. Sometimes you will not feel like studying. Sometimes you will feel lazy. Still, do your work. Successful people work even when they do not feel motivated. Discipline means doing the right thing every day. Small daily actions create big results. Learn from failure. Everyone fails. Students fail exams. Business owners lose money. Athletes lose matches. Failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this mistake? Every mistake teaches something new. Never be afraid of failing. Be afraid of not trying. Use money wisely. Money is important, but wisdom is more important. Spend less than you earn. Save money regularly. Avoid buying things you do not need. Learn useful skills. Skills can create better opportunities. A smart person invests in learning before spending on luxury. Take care of your health. Health is your greatest wealth. Sleep well. Eat healthy meals. Exercise every day. Walk regularly. Drink clean water. Take breaks when you feel tired. A healthy body helps you think clearly and work better. Without good health, success becomes difficult to enjoy. Choose good friends. Friends influence your life. Choose friends who encourage you. Stay away from people who always complain or stop you from growing. Good friends support your dreams. They help you become a better person. Think positively. Every day will not be perfect. Problems will come. Challenges will come. But always believe every problem has a solution. Positive thinking gives you strength. Hope gives you courage. Keep learning, keep improving, Keep moving forward. Improve your communication. Good communication is an important life skill. Speak politely. Listen carefully. Think before you speak. Respect other people's opinions. Clear communication builds trust. If you want to improve your English, practice every day. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. Remember, the more you speak, the better you become. Build confidence. Confidence grows through action. Do not wait until you feel ready. Start today. Speak in front of a mirror. Answer questions. Learn new skills. Celebrate small achievements. Every small success makes you stronger. Believe in yourself. You are capable of learning anything with time and practice. Be patient. Good things take time. A tree does not grow in one day. A student does not become an expert in 1 week. Success is a journey. Keep working even when you cannot see immediate results. Patience helps you stay calm during difficult times. Never quit because progress seems slow. Find your purpose. Ask yourself, why do I want to succeed? Maybe you want to help your family. Maybe you want to build a better future. Maybe you want to help other people. A strong purpose gives you the energy to keep going when life becomes difficult. People with a clear purpose rarely give up. Become a good leader. A leader is not someone who only gives orders. A good leader helps others. A good leader is honest, kind, and responsible. Lead by your actions. Help people. Encourage others. Share your knowledge. When you help others grow, you also grow. Never stop growing. Every day is a new opportunity. Read 1 page. Learn 1 new word. Practice 1 new skill. Take 1 small step. Small improvements every day create big changes over time. Final success formula. Success is not luck. Success is built with clear goals, hard work, discipline, good habits, continuous learning, patience, confidence, kindness, honesty, never giving up. Always remember, your future depends on what you do today, not tomorrow. Keep learning, keep improving, keep smiling, keep moving forward. One day your hard work will become your success, and your success will inspire others.